Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Tacoma. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, engine immobilizer, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, front wheel independent suspension. Inside you'll find navigation system, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, tilt steering wheel, leather shift knob, overhead console. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.